Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Today we are going to learn vocabulary related to Indian national flag. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin.
This is our national flag. It is also known as Tiranga. It is a pride of our nation. There are three bands in a flag. Saffron at the top stands for courage and sacrifice. White band stands for peace. Navy blue wheel has 24 spokes. It is called Ashoka Chakra. It stands for righteousness. Green band at the bottom stands for prosperity.
So friends, hope you understood the vocabs related to national flag. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing.